Hello, welcome into Deb's Kitchen. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a easy company pot roast in the Instant Pot in under 1 hour. These are our simple ingredients. We have a 3.5 pound chuck roast, a package of brown gravy, ranch, mushrooms, onion, garlic, beef broth, and a stick of butter. In our Instant Pot, I'm setting it to saute. I already put 1/4 cup of oil, and I'm going to wait till that heats up, and we're going to brown our chuck roast. While our Instant Pot is heating up, I'm just going to lightly season our beef with salt and pepper on both sides, and we cut up the onions and garlic. Okay, the very important step that you do not want to miss is browning your meat. We're going to put it in there and brown it all over on both sides. 2 minutes on each side. Okay, so now I've sauteed the meat on all sides, including the outer side. We want to get it caramelized to develop some kind of browning. So that's done. Next, my onion slices. This is a whole onion going in, and a garlic clove. And we're going to brown these bits. I have an 8-ounce box of mushrooms. You can put whatever kind you like. And those are going in and getting sauteed as well. I'm only sauteing the vegetables a few minutes until you start seeing the onion getting soft, just like that. I'm removing my vegetables because I want to put the Instant Pot trivet back into the Instant Pot because I do not want my meat to sit in the liquid. I'm putting the trivet back in. That goes in the Instant Pot. And then I'm putting my meat on top of that. I want to take my pot off Saute, so I'm putting it on off. And then I'm going to put 2 cups of beef stock, because this in the end is going to be what you use to make your gravy. On top of my meat, I'm putting my brown gravy mix packet and my ranch. And on top of that, we will put our whole block of butter. We're putting our block of butter in. It's supposed to be on top of the meat. And just get it all off. Pour on the vegetables. And we're going to set our pot. Lock your pot, make sure it's on sealing, pressure cook, and we're going to cook this for 40 minutes. And at the end of 40 minutes, I'm going to let it slow release, and it should be done and ready to make our gravy. Okay, let's check. We'll see what we got here. Here we go. We're going in, taking it out. We're going to let our meat rest, and in the meantime, I'm going to pour all the goodness into this drainer to make our gravy. Okay, our roast is resting, and now we are going to make our pan gravy. I'm draining all the vegetables out and setting them aside because I don't want those in my gravy. Then we're going to use our Instant Pot. We're going to set it on saute again. And we are going to use the gravy as well as some cornstarch. We need to make the thickener. Okay, our cornstarch, which is a thickener, needs to be the consistency of milk. And I use cold water, and the reason is we don't want lumps in our gravy. So I'm pouring the gravy back into the Instant Pot. We set it on saute. And now I'm simply going to add my roux, and we will let it thicken for about 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to slice up our meat so that it'll be ready when our gravy is. And I'm using these scissors here. And see how easy that is? Already tender, fork tender. And you want to cut against the grain. That's the opposite direction. Your meat is all cut up nice and tender. We're going to put our vegetables on top. And then our gravy, we can add at our own discretion. Our gravy is thickening up nicely. And we're going to put just a little bit on the meat, and then we're going to put it on the side in a gravy bowl for the mashed potatoes, which we have prepared as our side. Okay, the gravy's done, so I'm going to put a little bit on our meat to keep it nice and juicy. So there you have it. Here's our meat ready to go Instant Pot in 40 minutes and about 15 minutes slow release. Get some meat on however you choose. We're going to put some mushrooms on there and some of our gravy. Look how nice it thickened up. And don't forget, people, like and subscribe. If you like this and you want to see more simple videos, this is company pot roast right here, folks. I wouldn't be ashamed to serve this dish to anyone. So have a nice day. Don't forget, like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time in Deb's Kitchen.